Our attention now to the ASX. Here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by copper and gold exploration company Cannindah Resources, ASX code CAE. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Executive Chairman of Cannindah Resources, Tom Pickett. Hi Tom.
Hi Matt.
Okay Tom, Cannindah just notched up another enormous copper-gold drill hit at your Mount Cannindah project near Gladstone in Queensland, and we'll get into that in just a minute. But firstly, what's the existing resource at the project now?
Yeah, we have 5.5 million tonnes at just under 1% copper, and obviously the current drill program seeking to extend that quite significantly. We're getting some great success in doing that today.
All right, well, you recently completed your 9th hole at Mount Cannindah, the longest yet at 870 metres, and you nailed a monster intersection. Hit me with it. What was it?
Yeah, it was an incredible intersection from surface at 400 metres at 0.91% copper equivalent. A fantastic result.
Were there any higher grade intercepts within that 400 metre hit?
Yeah, sure. I mean, there was 341 metres at 1.03 copper equivalent. There was 107 metres at 1.58% copper equivalent, 39 metres at 1.48% copper equivalent. So it's been a very successful hole, and you add to that 14 metres at 1.65 grams per tonne gold.
Now, a year ago, Cannindah Resources was trading at about 4 cents, and I think you're trading at closer to 40 cents now, with a few big jumps along the way, which tells me that recent hit was perhaps not your only monster drill hit in the last year. Is that right?
That's correct. Yeah, we had hole 3 was 493 metres at over 1% copper equivalent. That was about 50 metres away from the hole 9. Hole 9 extends the mineralisation to the north, which was previously thought to be constrained by other drilling.
How do you predict some sort of scale for this project? What sort of strike extents are you seeing, and just how big do you think it could be?
Well, as I said, we've extended it to the north, and we think we're able to also extend to the south, and then we're going to try and link it up to another prospect called Cannindah East, which is 500 metres away to the east. So there's still a lot of size to come.
When are we likely to see some more drill results?
We're currently doing hole 10. We're about 500 metres into hole 10, so hopefully we'll get something out to the market shortly on that.
Tom Pickett from Cannindah Resources, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.